In this video, I will be showing you how to download Asphalt Legends. So for this, first let's download Steam, and after that let's download the game in it. First thing, just Google Steam. You'll be having this official site, store.steampowered. Click it, and here to the rightmost top we'll be having install Steam. Click it, and here we are having install Steam button. Select this, and the setup file gets downloaded within a flash, just 2 MB in size. Open it, and we'll be getting the Steam setup. Just click on next and choose the language of your choice. I will go with English. Next, and this is going to be the default location where Steam will be getting installed. It's in local disk C and program files. So this is an important step. If you feel you don't have space in your local disk C, you can just click on browse and change the location to local disk D or E. Okay, so after setting the location, just click on install. This will take some time, just be patient. That's it, it's done in a flash. And check this run Steam and click on finish. So it's saying updating Steam and it's downloading, so just be patient for a while. So after this you will be getting Steam sign in. So if you already have an account, you can directly sign in. If you don't have an account, here we are having create a free account. Click it. So you need to enter all these details before creating an account. So once you sign in, you will be taken to an interface like this. In the search the store, just type Asphalt, and here as you can see we are having Asphalt Legends. Click here, and if you scroll down we will be having play game. Select that, and this is fine desktop shortcut, and this is going to be the drive where it's going to get installed. If you want to change it, click on manage storage, and you can add a new drive for this to get installed. I am fine with the older one, so I will just go and select install, and this is the license agreement. Click on accept, and this will begin the download. If I click here, it is around 9 GB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, you will be having here the play icon and also a desktop shortcut created like this. So just open the game, and we will be inside the game. It will ask you to do a short tutorial on the controls. After that you can just start playing. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.